What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we're doing a little video of my TRaxxas MAXX. Calling it the Monster MAXX now. We put a little bit taller tire on it. If you guys recall in my last video where we took the MAXX to the track, we ended up blowing out one of the stock tires. You can see it's kind of seen better days there. They're pretty soft, so I'm not for sure if we cut it on something or if it just ended up blowing out. Let's see if we can get it to kind of focus there. There we go. Put it next to that tire right there. You can see there's a pretty considerable difference. Not only in how tall they are, but also the width. Let's go ahead and see these are like 5.5 by 2.5, I think. Let me see here. See if we could zoom in. Okay, yeah, you can see right there, 5.5 by 2.8 by 2.7s. Go ahead and put that to the side. Now the new ones, whoops. Now the new ones are, let's see if we can zoom in. They're 6.4 by 3.5 by 3.8. Now the reason why I ended up putting these bigger tires on it is because my buddy called me up the other day. He just got a 4-wheel drive Slash and wanted to go do some bashing in a local spot over here. And of course I wanted to take my MAXX, but I didn't have any tires because this one definitely wasn't going to hold up. So I actually took these tires, I robbed them, off my e-Reveal 2.0. You can see it's sitting there. You see it's up there with no tires on it. Now I didn't know how I was gonna like these bigger tires, but once I had it out there, these tires are actually considerably heavier than the stock ones. So it seemed to be more planted to the ground. I was actually doing some pretty high speed turns out there. Now it was definitely on some slick dirt, so I definitely need to take it on different types of terrains and turn it and make sure it's not gonna kind of flip the truck easier. But on the terrain we were driving in that day, it actually seemed kind of nice. We'll go ahead and get a running video here soon. I can't do it today because I got to go to work today, but we'll definitely be taking this thing out soon and get a running video for you guys. I should have filmed that day, but it was kind of a little bit of a last minute trip. We just went in and just to test out his Slash 4x4 and play around a little bit. Now if I take this on and I do decide to go this size tire, of course I'm not going to keep these ones on because I'm going to put them back on my e-Revo. But I'll find another set of 6.4s to put on it, get them ordered up if indeed I do like it and it's not going to break the truck up too much. But alright, you guys, that was just a quick little update. I hope you guys liked the video, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.